I can't go too hard because it's too cold. And like I said, if I'm bleeding, then I'm gonna go slow. I'm not gonna go fast. There's not a cop there. I just don't want him to speed. It's cold. Stay cozy. Thank you. I wave to him. Oh my God, let's go! I thought that guy just let me go in front of him because he wanted to look at that booty. Are you letting me go? Okay. Thank you. I didn't want to cut because now I have no choice but to cut. She has all sorts of shit in her back that I do not want to be a part of if that thing flies off the back. So now I have to cut. People are nice though, so I'll take it. Alright, come on, ho. Be nice. Move to the right. Be nice. I want to listen to Wiz Khalifa right now. Go to the right, girl, and I'll pass through. But she look old and she look angry. I don't think she gonna do it. There's a biker back there though. You can go ahead, dog. You guys want to? You can go ahead, homie. I'm cold as balls right now. I don't want to go fast. Oh my God, it's bumpy. It is bumpy. Okay, he doesn't want to go ahead, so I gotta leave. Move to the right, homie. I'm so cold. Oh, really? I don't want to speed. I don't know if there's a cop ahead or no, man. I want him to go ahead of me. There's a chopper behind me. I want him to go ahead, man. But I don't think he will. He just wants me to lead. I don't want to lead. I'm cold. This hand is frozen. Go ahead. This hand is frozen. Oh. Plus, again, I haven't made a lap yet. There could be a cop up ahead. And I don't want to be first. Even though I'm brown, he's white, so he might pull me over. Oh. 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 This hand is completely frozen. I'm not even playing with you. This hand is frozen. But it's gonna rain all next week, so today's the only day. I could have came out yesterday and it didn't rain. It was a Saturday, but I couldn't do it. It was even colder than it is today. It was like in the 50s. I told him it was a cop. There's not. It's not. Get it? It's not. We got more riders? Is that a car? I can't tell. The headlights look mismatched. I think it's a car. Never mind, look matched now. No, 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 no. Don't ever overtake like that because you're on a curve. Car could be coming. I can't go faster. I'm just too cold, man. And I don't want to pass him. It's too cold. My nutsicles are gone. Oh, my nuts are like icicles right now. My Dragon Balls, I can't even make a wish with them. They're too frozen for Shenron or Oolong to pop out. No, no, not Oolong, Porunga. Karanga ain't coming out home out of these Dragon Balls. What if I slap his booty right now going this fast? I bet he'd flip. I bet he'd flip. Just twirl up in that whole front flip. My ears are ringing. Because I'm not wearing earplugs. And for some reason, Broly's being extra loud today. And we need a protein shake for her as well. Hell yeah. Johnny Young Blood, what up, slime? You guys remember this place? The R6 Megan Kakarot Skunk died. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I can barely hear myself. On cold days, on ice cold days, I feel like I'm going like 200, but I'm not. Oh my god, is it cold? Later, dog. If it was a warm day, I'd teach you a thing or two. My hands are frozen. This hand is frozen. I'm scared to let the clutch out because both my hands are frozen. Welcome to ball. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's too 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 cold. You can win. You got it. My nutticles are ice cold. I can't do it. Thank you for moving over though. You would have been an amazing car to go against and make a sex tape with. But it is too cold. It is too cold. Your exhaust smells good though. You win. Take it. I can't do it. My hands are cold. This hand's frozen. I can't do it. Go on, blaze it up, young blood. You all inside your car and warm. I'm not. I'm on a motorcycle and it's like 55 outside. Add wind chill. It's too cold. How cold is it, by the way? It says 62 over there, but it ain't no 62, ho. When I left this morning, it was 50. And I've been riding for like an hour or two, and the sun's even going down. When I left, the sun was up. I kind of wish, though, that that thing is fast, though. But we're only in sport mode, and I didn't go all the way throttle or anything. It's just, I needed to be warmer to do things like that. I just can't. I'm sorry. But you're a good guy or woman. I hope you're a chick with a big booty. I love you. Ride safe, drive safe, homie. Yeah. All right, ladies. We're calling it now. I'm going to go home. First, I got to find a place to fuel her up and give her a protein shake, but I'm going to head home. It is too cold to ride. But I will see you guys later. Ride safe, drive safe. Remember to subscribe. Only because you love me. Because I love you. I wish I could give him a thumbs up. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Headshot. Headshot. See how hard it is to let go of my clutch? Because my fingers are frozen. Yeah. But yeah, subscribe only because you love me, because I love you. And until next time, I'm out. Peace. You got it, homie. Tesla, you take him. You can take him, Tesla. Gunny Young Blood, what is it? Infiniti QX. I know we make sex tapes with Lambos, Ferraris, Aventadores, Paganis, but I guarantee you that guy gunned it all the way. We didn't, but I guarantee you that guy did. Yeah.